Need to locate someone's current address or phone number? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Searchbug's verified current address and phone service, also called a skip trace. We'll go step by step so you can place your order and get your verified results without any confusion. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Searchbug account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. Step 2. Click on the Hire Investigator tab at the top of the page. From there, select Verified Current Address and Phone from the list of available services. Step 3. Under Service Type, choose Assisted Skip Trace People Search. Then, from the available options, select Verified Current Address and Phone Search. Step 4. Complete the order form by entering all the required details about the person you're trying to locate. Pro tip: the more information you provide in the additional details section, the easier it will be for your investigator to complete the search accurately and quickly. Step 5. Once your form is complete, click Order Now to submit your request. Step 6. Understand the pricing of refund policy. Cost per search is $207. If no information is found, you'll receive a $150 refund. If the investigator finds valid address and phone details, no refund applies. This ensures you're only paying for verified, usable information. Then Step 7. Document verification process. Once your request has been received, an account specialist will contact you to request supporting documents. These documents are required to verify your identity, confirm your permissible purpose, ensure compliance with federal and state regulations. Once we receive your documents, our compliance team reviews them for approval. Once approved, your order will be assigned to a licensed private investigator who will begin working on your search. Step 8. Turnaround time and results. Most searches are completed within 18 to 22 business days, depending on the complexity of the case and the details you provide. When your results are ready, you'll get an email notification. To view your report, log into your Searchbug account, go to Investigator Orders in your dashboard, open and download your completed report. Then that's it. That's how you order a verified current address and phone search on Searchbug. This service goes beyond a simple database lookup. Your request is handled by a licensed private investigator to make sure the information you receive is accurate and up to date. Once your results are ready, you'll have verified details you can rely on. If you have questions about this service, drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. And if you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials and tips from Searchbug.